Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Joy S. Navidad from Humes 11-5. Sa videong ito, sasamahan niyo akong matuto about logarithmic functions and how to solve the x. At para na rin matuto tayo, ay mag-enjoy lang tayo habang inaaral ito. Kaya tara na! Para sa akin, madali lang naman ang logarithmic functions as long as tinitingnan nyo ng mabuti yung mga given items. And sa logarithmic kasi, wala kang kailangang isolve for converting it. Kailangan mo lang talagang tingnan ng item at masasagutan mo rin yun kaagad. So first of all, may idea ba kayo about logarithmic functions?
The logarithm is the inverse function of exponentiation in mathematics. This indicates that the exponent to which another fixed number, the base a, must be raised in order to obtain a given number, b, is equal to the logarithm of that number, x. The logarithm counts the occurrences of the same factor and repeated multiplication in the simplest scenario.
At ito naman ang pagbabasehan nating formula para sa logarithmic function. Now take note of that para hindi kayo malito kapag magsasagot na kayo ng activity for logarithmic. So, ito ay isang function na nagpapakita ng exponent na kinakailangan upang makuha ang isang particular na number mula sa isang base. Ito ay proseso ng paglipat mula sa isang logaritmo sa isang iba pang anyo ng ekspresyon o forma. At para mas lalong maintindihan, narito ang isang halimbawa. Halimbawa, sa log na base 10, ang log ng 100 ay 2 dahil 10 raised to 2 ay 100. Ito ay nagbibigay daan sa pagbaliktad ng eksponenteng pagsusuri ng isang number. Ngayon ay nakita nyo naman kung ano ang nangyari. Ipinagbaliktad lang ang 100 at 2, kaya ang naging bagong sagot ay 10 raised to 2 is equals to 100. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala dahil marami pa akong ibibigay na examples para mas lalo niyong maintindihan yung topic. Here are some examples. Log 2, 8, 3. Ito ay magiging log 2, 3, 8. Another example, log 5, 125 is equals to 3. Ito ay magiging log 5, 3 is equals to 125. Next, log 3, 27 is equals to 3. Ito ay magiging log 3, 3 is equals to 27. Last, log 2, 8 is equals to 3. Ito ay magiging log 2, 3 is equals to 8. So, nakita niyo naman kung paano yung gawin. Pinagbaliktad lang itong dalawang numbers para masagutan yung logarithmic function. Ganun lang po yan kadali. Sa tingin ko naman ay kayang-kaya niya na itong sagutan. Kaya ngayon ay magbibigay ako ng ilang mga halimbawa at susubukan niyo naman itong sagutin. Pwede niyong i-comment ang mga sagot ninyo sa comment section. Here's your activity and you can also answer it by pausing this video. At dahil nasagutan niyo na yung activity, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is the solving for the x. Solving for x in logarithmic functions involves using properties of logarithms to isolate the variable. You can employ rules like the product rule, quotient rule, and power rule to simplify logarithmic expressions and isolate x. Finally, solve for x by converting logarithmic equations into exponential form. Medyo madali lang din naman siya as long as nasusundan niyo yung process ng pag-solve and naiintindihan niyo kung paano yun gawin. So first, I'll give you some examples kung paano yung process niya and kung paano siya i-solve. So, this is the first example. Ang ating formula ay ang fx is equals to a raised to x. Now, ang given natin ay fx is equals to 3 raised to x. Now, ang hahanapin naman natin ay f3. So, isasulat lang natin siya. Fx is equals to 3x. Now, isasulat naman natin yung hahanapin natin. F. Ang x ay magiging 3. Next, F3. Yung x magiging 3 na rin dahil ayun yung hahanapin natin. Now, to solve that, 3 raised to 3 is equals to 3 times 3 times 3 is equals to 27. Now, ayun yung sagot. Now, yung sunod naman nating hahanapin is yung 8. So, uulitin lang natin yung process. Fx is equals to 3x. Now, i-convert na natin. F8 is equals to copy 3x. Next step is to write fx is equals to 3 raised to 8. Now, compute nyo na yung final answer. 3 raised to 8 is equals to 83 yung isusulat yung ilalagay nyo sa calculator. So, ang sagot is 6561. That's the final answer. So, paano naman kung ito yung hinahanap? H is equals to negative 4x. So, ang hahanapin natin is H6 and H7. Now, kagaya ng process kanina, isusulat lang natin to. Hx is equals to negative 4x. Now, ang una nating hinahanap is yung 6. So, ilalagay natin siya dito sa parenthesis. 6 equals to negative 4x. Next step is to write it again. 6 negative 4 and yung x ay magiging 6. Now, yung final naman 6 negative 4 raised to 6 is equals to negative 4096. Final answer. Next example, ang sunod natin hahanapin is yung 7. So, kagaya kanina, hx is equals to negative 4x. Now, ang hahanapin natin is yung 7. So, ang 7 naman ang ilalagay natin dito. So, magiging 7 is equals to copy negative 4x. Next, h is 7 is equals to negative 4, 7. And last step is to compute it. 7 is equals to negative 4 raised to 7 is equals to negative 16, 3, 8, 4. Final answer. And now, dito naman tayo sa finding the value of x. So first, I'll give you an example. Log 5 raised to 25 is equals to x. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is pagbabalik ta rin itong x and 25 magiging log 5 x is equals to 25. And now, para i-solve yan, ang ilalagay nyo lang sa calculator is log 25 over log 5. And ang answer will be 2. So I'll give you another example. What if log 5 raised to 1 is equals to x? It will become log 5, pagbalik ta rin, x is equals to 1. And now to solve that, write log 1 over log 5. And now, the answer is 0. Now, paano naman kung ganito yung equation? Log 6 tapos x yung nandito is equals to 4. Ang mangyayari dyan, pagbabaliktad niya pa rin ito, log 6, 4 over x. And to solve that, kailangan nyo lang i-compute ito. 6 raised to 4. So, magiging 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So, what is the answer? X is 1,296. Last example. What if log x 81 is equals to 4? Magiging x 4 is equals to 81. Just like kanina, pinagbalingtad lang din ng dalawa. And to solve that, kuha niyo yung square root, which is 4 and 81. Copy 4. It will become 3. So, I'm hoping na naintindihan niyo yung tinuro ko sa inyo. And now, I think it's time for another activity. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin at sa pakikinig. I just wanna say sorry kung may mali man akong naturo about sa topic, pero all in all, maraming salamat. At bago ko tapusin ang video na ito, ay gusto kong magsabi ng isang quote na, "If people do not believe that mathematics is simple, it is only because they do not realize how complicated life is," by John von Neumann. That's all. Thank you everyone.